It's like group.
Ray, tell my story, can you tell my story, please? Is what I hear every day walking down LA city streets. Ray, tell my story, can you tell my story, please? And my curse must be, cause all I see is tragedy and spirits in my head, always trying to break loose, messing with my stories, which we shouldn't let loose. To speak of the lost days when we was growing up, fessing to no one about what really was going on. But the little homie's mom still keeps on smoking rocks, so don't tell no one, he says, cause I really love my moms. I don't like to hear it though about little Felix. He got whooped in school's dirty legs cause he was screaming for help. Can't nobody hear this voice yelps. I guess not the American way. Pass it to someone else, who cares? Not you, not the schools, and not nobody else. And poor little fell serving 12 for hurting someone else. Domestic violence, or is it someone screaming out for help? Don't know, don't care. The true fucking way, yeah. The American way, the American dream, available to some, to all others only. A fallacy, a dream indeed. A lot of read to the city streets, but Felix never got his number, never got his lucky streak. Instead, the little boy grew up gangster. East side local to the street holds all the answers. A wrong question asked and a wrong answer given. He's already been to hell, and his trip ends in heaven.
Live experience. Live experience. Live experience.
Ray, tell my story, can you tell my story, please? Is what I hear every day walking down LA city streets. Ray, tell my story, can you tell my story, please? And my curse must be, cause all I see is tragedy. So this one delico to my homie, baby boy, always strapped for cash in before the next glass hit to last me, to blast me too. The night with 5 hits, le dicen el extraño from barrio, then I ain't asking, no need to know, cause everyone's hard on this street. Walking through the calle is never too far from his seat. Last thing I heard, he was born again Christian, but God resurrected and died in him in 2 weeks. His good days ain't coming and his bad days don't leave. If you feel sorry for him, scream a lot, let it home. Jay, these are the stories from my block, can you feel me? I guess not, cause all I hear is I don't wanna hear this. I ain't hate it though, cause I still love to get high. Just being real, telling you about my city block. Ray, tell my story, can you tell my story, please? Is what I hear every day walking down LA city streets. Ray, tell my story, can you tell my story, please? And my curse must be, cause all I see is tragedy. Ray, tell my story. Hey yo, big up the dance. Tell my story, please.